Yes, and thank you very much, my daughter. I'm a citizen. My lady.
Yes.
And as a citizen of South Africa, I respect the rule of law of this country since the turn of democracy. The way our constitution was crafted, it gives the supremacy of the law to be in charge of any matters that arises that cease to be legally, and everything that we do in this country, despite our rights, it should be aligned legally. And in fact, the people that are working under oath are the people that are on National Assembly. Those are the people that should be exemplary to all of us in this entire country, so that we take them as our role models, because they are law themselves even when they walk on the street. But when they defamate other leaders that are within themselves, I understand the rulings of the house where someone has a right to say anything, but when you do it inside the house of parliament and you do it outside the parliament, they prove in the beyond reasonable doubt that you are telling the entire citizen of South Africa that that is allowed. I never sway anyone, but Julius Malema has defamated a lot of our leaders since he was in the ANC league, and I plead to the court that to the court that it should not be made final, because it is useless. It's useless in a manner that I was never served by anyone in this matter, and I only saw it online by the amount of respondents that no, it's illegit, because it had been posted by himself as well. And then now they said there's a matter that I had to attend on the 19th of May. We have been marching on the streets. We never saw anything. I don't have lawyers because I don't work. Now I'm here to represent myself. And I'm pleading to court that must never take it final.
Why?
Because I never defamated anyone.
Well, there was evidence before just on the day, and it is there in the papers, and it shows that we did actually increase that the applicant is here to make sure that you don't proceed to the issue.
And if I may ask my fellow brother here, lawyer, to elaborate that what exactly transpired, so for me to take this matter as a final matter, because I never had anything.
I don't understand what you just said. And what would you like us to do?
I want maybe my brother to tell me what wrong doings I've done, so that have acquired me to stand in front of you, Mary.
Yeah, people are doing the judge.
Yeah, play church. Yeah, I'm no me a court.
In it.
A court regular.
Yeah.
Yes, but ngizamcacisela into enzekileyo. Ujaji uthi angithi i-draft order yabo lena ne, then bakunikeze ujaji wathi wena explain why angayenzi be final, wathi uye-acceptile i-final manje lena. So now it ends up being order ye court.
Cha phela sebeqedile.
Akunankinga noma ngathiwa kuthiweni
Ko-final.
silalele sihloniphe laba abasemsebenzini bese siyahamba phela nje. Akukho nje ukuthi kuze kukhulume i-Oceling lapha bekhuluma iNgisi, asinamsebenzi nalona. Asilalele kodwa sihloniphe abasemsebenzini, bekhulume benza umsebenzi wabo bona, beqede basha bakushoyo ngokumsebenzi wabo, thina bese siyahamba.
Uthi ujaji uyamsana noMalema, uyamsupport uMalema ujaji. Kanjani siyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke abasuka le kwaZulu ebesondele ngapha ePitoli enkantolo la inja isikhwehlela befana sosithimisa khona uMalema akekho ngazi ukuthi kungahlonishwa nje kweParliament lokwahlonishwa kwabaholi baqala ngayo ebathuka phakathi eParliament ebathuke ngaphandle kweParliament ngakho ke mina ngangimthula ngimtshela iqiniso alazi ungayiwa ngisho kule bethiwa i-criminal court ungafike lapha nginendaba yini makuthiwa ke ngoba bona bathi isikole is important bafundile kunathi besibopheke ngcono isihlale ejele kunoma singaphika into isobala kodwa singavumi malema asiphazamise embhidlangweni wethu wokuxoshwa amakwelekwele angekho emthethweni eNingizimu Afrika. Ubonile la izolo ibhasi besuka le koPolokwane lithwela ama-illegal immigrants into esayishoyo kudala iyenzeka iyaproveka amaphoyisa mayaqala ukukhuthala manje avela livimbi ibhasi watholakala bonke abantu bengekho documented. Sibonile amasomala ebeka inkosi yawo besikhona sibona ngamehlo ngoba soba khona ama-AI bathe uma beyibeka inkosi yabo lapha besingabela beda sidelete ama-video esiwashuthile sathi thina cho ngeke sidelete lawo ma-video esiwashuthile kepha sibone besebenzisa ngisho i-coat of arm okuyiyona ngubo yethu yokuthandaza ngoba inyembezi Afrika belwela inkululeko yabo kodwa i-coat of arm iyubungcwele bethu yokuthi final ubaba uNelson Mandela wathi inkululeko isila umntwana wakaphinda angene elwela amalungelo abantu abamnyama uthi esuka lapho base bekhuluma sana naye kanye no Mandela no de Klerk cha impela ayikwazi ukwazula ukuyimela kodwa ubukhosi bakhona uzohlonishwa ngoba bukhulu kunabo bonke ubukhosi. Wehla uMandela ngo-1994 April 27 wayo amapheko wethuna likalanga libalele umongameli oqala we-Reparational Movement. I am standing here before you to tell you that today South Africa is free. Lawo magama awumsamo wezwe awuphahlo ukukhulu kakhulu umuntu osuke yikhanda lezwe ngaleso sikhathi. Ngakho-ke asikwazi ukuthi emveni kwalapho kwase kusungulwa uhulumeni oyintando yeningi kwaze kwaba khona i-coat of arm ubungcwele bethu yokuthi kulandwe ngisho amaqhawe emazweni angaphandle. Leyo nto leyo yayitshengisa ngempela ukuthi is a symbol that must never be untouchable. Our government and our country and our politicians have been too comfortable ukuthi bavumele abantu aba-illegal in this country bazenzele umathanda bangena beyaphuma bangena bayaphuma. Ngakho nje basila asizugcina la enkantolo siqonda ngqo kwi-Somalian embassy kanza wethu singengakanani siyobashaya singengakanani ayiliwa ngabuningi kodwa iyanqotshwa kanza wethu. Sibonga kakhulu kumfowethu uPhakela njobe khona esuka kwelesehadini ehamba nomfowethu la ufuna emntwini beyobabaza isimbe sehlele emzini wakhe njoba nami lapha abafowethu bafika qala ngishiselwe umuzi. Leyo nto leyo i-symbol of unity ngoba akufuneki sihlakazela udadewethu uMangobese uJacinta usesikoleni uyabhala ama-exam umfowethu uPhakela nathi sonke siyacela ukuthi ama-province onke neNingizimu Afrika yonke isukule asikwazi ukuboshelwa ukugcina umthetho bese sizoboshwa umuntu okuyena owafundisa abantu bonke eNingizimu Afrika ukuthi abaholi bathu wathuka ubaba uJacob Zuma wambiza ngomdlwenguli icala lamgeza uJaji Mqedhu Usizi eMsimango eMaritzburg 2008 washo adeclare ukuthi yonke lento ekhulunywa ngoZuma ayikho ngoku-Amsterdam waphinde wadeclare uJaji eGoli ngo-2006 esasikhona enkantolo ukuthi cha ngempela akadlanga lenkani waphila. Ngakho-ke kubalulekile ukuthi namanje sikusho ukuthi umongameli ophethe wathi ukuthi abombheki wamthuka wathi akanayo inzalo wathi uyimbongolo engazalo emthuka ngaphansi eParliament emthuka ngaphandle waphinde futhi wazothuka ubaba uCyril Ramaphosa ethi ewabulela abantu eMaritsana sasingekho asibonanga kodwa ngeke siphike futhi kodwa akalikho icala elivulile elisho lokho ukuthi uCyril Ramaphosa wakwenza. Ngakho-ke ngithi mina uma inkantolo ingibona nginecala mina entweni engiyenzile yokukhuluma noma leba ngimtshele kwekabhoqo ukunakala kwakhe nokuba isikhwehlela kwakhe njengoba sosithimisa nje la eGoli ngicela ukuthi kusukume bonke abaholi asikwazi ukuzosetha i-president ngongizwe ngomuntu okuyena owayefunge under oath wamemezela eParliament ukuthi cha useyilunga leParliament yonke into izohamba ngomthetho njengoba ngisho aphathe enkantolo ukuthi mina umthetho uphile egazini uhambe nawo ngenyawo uyayina ngisho kwakho ukugcina umthetho ngoba usibonelo sezwe lonke wavotelwa abantu bafunga ngoba uvota ufunga ngakho ke njengamanje ngifuna ukusho kucace ngokungahlonisi ukuthi khababo ngizothatha mina abamelike manje ke no ngimele vele ngimele uzohamba nje ngizungeze ngithi wonke umuntu owayethuwa uJulius Malema uma wrong ukudiscipline umfana kanje yena edlala ipolitical game eShibi bonke abamvulela iqala ukuthi sibone phela ukuthi kuyiqala mina ngamthukanga ngamtshela amaqiniso benza kwethu cela ukunikeza nango umne wethu ngapha ukuthi wami uphakela umthakathi bakwazi ukuphawula nabafowethu sibonga abafuthi bonke ngubani nje bebekhona besuka leKwaZulu kodwa singengana ngicela ngamzabethu sambe siyomangalela izwe ngoba oMackenzie laba lembongolo le-excited ngoba uminister le xebuka izandla lenjalo kuthiwa uGaten Mackenzie isuka lapho ilandela ngemuva landela ngemuva njengethishu leyasha ngicela ukuthi siye lapho thina lelizwe ngicela all corners of South Africa, all people that are here and that are listening to us, even in the workplace, in the private sector, wonke amagama esiwashoyo nesikwenzayo nesikumele ninathi kodwa ngoba ngisabuxoshwa akuwona nawo nakwekwele umzulu mfowethu izolo enza ama-estimate ethi labo bantu bangapheka kwa-30 million and uqinisile and ngapheka kwalokho ukuthatha izwe vele in the history of democracy akaze bavota abantu abaclose to 20 million labo abantu bayimisele ukuthatha izwe lembongolo ebibekwa lapha njengenkosi sengathi ngafa liyasha iyona ethe izothatha ukuba umeya izothatha futhi ukuba umongameli walizwe ngo-2029 yithi mina leaders abafana nobaba uPanyaza Lusufi ngicela ukusho ngokuhlonisa ukuthi aqala ukuthatha unpopular decisions even angathandwa nayi organization eyimenza wakwazi ukuba strong MEC of Education of Gauteng and sabona kushintsha izinto eziningi uPanyaza Lusufi wayishintsha waphinde lapho wakhula waba uPrime of Gauteng wathatha isinqumo wakhanda i-coalition government without even ngisho ukuvumelana nabantu abaku-National Assembly wathatha i-DA wayichimisa njengesikhwehlelo wahlanganisa abantu abamnyama babusa izwe sakunqoma lokho namanje uye kuphela umholi ophumele obala ngokungahlonisi ukuthi awahamba uMokwele angekho emthethweni
Ngane zakwethu ndabezitha siyathokoza kakhulu siyabonga abafowethu kini nonke ephumile nizokweseka umfowethu insizwe esuke endaweni ngokwehlukahlukana siyazi ukuthi phakathi abantu abaningi abakwazi ukuba ingxenye yokweseka umsebenzi abantu bayasebenza bayayikalela ukuthi iziphi insuku abayithathayo ukuze bekhululeke siyabonga kuzo zonke insizwa eziphumile ombomvu nomfazi ogcwele umfowethu ufele emntwini ngiyazi ukuthi ezinye insizwa uma ngenza nomzimba omncane basesendleleni bayeza nazo zonke insizwa ezikhona nani nonke nje bafowethu makhosazana osisi bethu abangafuni ukusala abahlale bekhona siyabonga bodadewethu siyabonga bosisi bafowethu siyacela abaholi base South Africa siyacela abaholi umholi nje wase South Africa sicela ukuthi anake into ekhondene nezwe lase South Africa even i-constitution njengoba ithi constitution lapha phakathi ithi South Africa is for all who live in it ngaphandle ibhalwe ukuthi South African Constitution ikhuluma ngabantu base South Africa ayikhulumi ngomuntu ongayena wase South Africa so mangabe i-constitution before it is for all who live in it ibhalwe ukuthi ngaphandle Constitution of South Africa. So mayikhuluma ngokuthi for all who live in it, ikhuluma ngabantu base South Africa, hayi abantu bakwenye indawo. So abantu they must stop misinterpreting i-constitution yethu. And okwesibili, kwayona i-constitution kusukela manje kuya phambili sizokulwela ukuthi kayishintshe. Thina bantu balapha eSouth Africa sizokulwela ukuthi umhlaba ubuye ngeqiniso. Ungesingenzi lento enziwa uMalema afike ethi abantu abathatha umhlaba ebese phindele ethumela i-security company yakhe ukuthi ayobhidlizela abantu emjondolo, ngoba siyakwazi lokho ukuthi uyabo. So ke asizukuvuma thina ukuthi uMalema athi akudocumentwe ama illegal foreigners ngoba yena evikela ibhizinisi lakhe elingaphandle kwezwe, esingazi noma lelo bhizinisi lisemthethweni yini, nalokho elikukhandayo okule kusemthethweni yini, njengoba sizwa kuthiwa bakhanda ugwayi la eSouth Africa kugcwele ugwayi ongekho emthethweni. So ke asizukuvuma abaholi abazothi ngoba bakwazi ukukhuluma isilungu bese bekhuluma isilungu esikhulu esingaziwa ugogo wasemakhaya ovotayo. Abantu base South Africa basenkingeni bafowethu njengamanje, izwe lithathwe ngabantu bokufika njengoba sibona abantu beyibeka amakhosi bezwa amanzi ngobhoko. Thina njengamadoda la eSouth Africa asifune kuba bahle kumuntu, asizami kuba bahle ngamuntu, sifuna kuba bahle ngezwe lethu ngoba sizele izingane. Isizathu sokuthi sisukume njengamanje senze nje sicabanga usizi oluzobhekana nezingane zethu. Indoda ibuka kusasa. Siyathokoza nabenkosi.
Ngapha ukuthi siyasuka manje sibheka kwi-embassy ngapha kwethu sonke nje sihlangane sonke nifuthi okunye kuvele eNtabama ngenyanga 500 million osuka la ngithi ukubona ukuthi amakuchukuchu lawa amaSomalia namaPakistani imali emount of flux swap uyothenga khona ayi abakuzwa kahle bafuna ibe ucash, and imali ucash ayikho traceable. Bayithatha yonke leyo mali leyo sekuvelile ukuthi kuphuma 500 million njalo ngenyanga, and umnotho uya nguyo uyawa kwenziwa yonke into umdoti eke mthule ngathi ukuthi izwe lethu lifike kanjeni. Yabona hlulekela ugovernment, hlulekela ama-political organization, thina-ke njengamalungu solulwela size kuze siphelele ngoba ngeze sisihluleke ngathi kwethu asiyakhona bafethu.
Ethu umuntu akabingelele bafethu njengamanje sila ngaphandle ePitoli, enkantolo yasePitoli enkulu lapho khona bekuzovela khona ungizwe Mchunu ngecala ke ayivulele uMalema ngendaba ke ezikhona bafethu. So njengamanje sinommeli uMfoka Ngcongo okuyena abafethu uzosichazela ngoba bekhona ngaphakathi bafethu. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi basadidekile ukuthi kwenzakalani yini manje ishodayo yini esele kuzokwenzakala ngecala. Khawula ke sibingelele baba.
Ngiyaphila njalo Nkosi.
Yeah mfethu usichazele mfethu sikwenzakaleni njengamanje kuzokwenzakalani kumele kwenziwe njani.
Okay, asenziwe emfishane le ndaba.
Yeah.
uMalema wenza ex parte application.
Yeah.
I-application lapho khona umuntu omangalelwayo engekho. Lapho khona uyoconvince inkantolo ukuthi cha ayithathe isinqumo. Noma sobe singaphelele isinqumo leso kuthiwa interim order. Futhi order esangaphikiseka in future engekho final. Bese ke lo muntu onikezwe leyo order anikezwe ithuba ke nawe usavele phambi kwenkantolo azoyikhulumela ukuthi inkantolo lento le akumele ibe i-order of court ngezathu ezithile. For example, uma ngabe sikhuluma nge-defamation, i-defense yokuqala ebalulekile if into iyiqiniso ayikwazi ukamanta to i-defamation. So if uma ungizwe Mchunu namhlanje ufikile wathi kwasenkantolo lento le engiyishilo ngalela langa evidweni kaZoso yayiyiqiniso nabo ufakazi, ngicela inkantolo ingayenzi order of court le interim order eyayenziwe ngalesa sikhathi sokuthi ngixolise ngikhokhela abameli for i-application ex parte and this application yanamhlanje kumhla ka-20
so njengamanje kwenzakaleni njengamanje
inkantolo igrantile i-order ngoba ayizwanga amazwi aphusile noma amazwi aphikisana ne-order endala. Ngoba uMalema i-case yabo bayenza kwi-interim kwi-ex parte application namhlanje uyithuba langizwe lokuthi azoyikhulumela yena aphikise lokho kuphambi kwenkantolo.
So liphelile icala noma kumele azolungisa ini, kumele akhokhe, kumele enze njani?
I-order khona yokuthi axolise nathi order
okumele ngisixolise bafethu.